You know, there's really not a better story to follow up on than that story. Glad to get to do that. Highs today across the region were in the middle 40s for us as we stayed under cloud cover. We had a trough that stayed with us much of the day. The cloud cover exited towards sunset, so we didn't get to warm up too much. We got to a high of 47 in Lafayette. 60s can be found just to our southwest. Satellite radar shows a bigger view of what's going to come over the next several days. Here's the first thing we'll be tracking. This is a warm front that's going to start scooting to the northeast, and as it does, it's going to race in here tomorrow. We may see a few spotty showers tomorrow morning as you're heading out to church, but the real bigger story with this warm front are going to be the winds and the dramatic increase in temperatures tomorrow. In fact, we'll see highs 20 degrees warmer than where they were today. So you can see the clouds are still with us. We've kind of broken them up a little bit. You can't really see it on Renaissance Cam right now, but temperature is still pretty cool. 43 degrees, and these temperatures aren't really going anywhere. We've got the cloudy skies that'll stay with us. We will dip down into the upper 30s across the region. We'll go 38 degrees for the low in Lafayette, 38 in Attica, 37 degrees in Fowler. Futurecast will show the arrival of this warm front. Here's the cloud cover associated with it. Maybe some spotty showers by tomorrow morning. These will be very few and far between. Nothing more than a couple of sprinkles. So take the umbrella if you're heading out to church. Not going to be a big deal. And you can take the jacket too, but you're going to leave it behind towards the afternoon hours because this warm front's going to race to the north, and it is going to draw in some very warm air. 60 degrees by noon. The clouds will start to dissipate throughout the day. We'll be left with a mostly sunny sky by 5, a high of 71 degrees. And there are those winds out of the south, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts could be as high as 30 miles per hour. And again, 71 degrees for Lafayette, but we'll go 69 for the high in Monticello, 67 in Winnemac, 72 degrees the high in Crawfordsville. Futurecast, we're going to start at Sunday evening. We're going to stay quiet for much of Sunday, and as we get into Monday morning and afternoon, another disturbance starts to work its way in here. As in the afternoon and evening hours on Monday, this boundary is going to be very tricky. Where this boundary lines up is where the better chances of scattered showers will remain for Monday, and then as we get into Tuesday, more confident that we'll see a more widespread scattered shower activity. And as we get farther into the week towards Wednesday and even Thursday, we're expecting a lot of rain, folks. Some models over the next 5 days put out anywhere from 2.5 inches to as much as 5 inches of rain. So a good solid band of 2 to 3 inches across much of the viewing area looks promising, and that's going to really aggravate flooding. We already have very high rivers. In fact, the Wabash is looking very, very swollen at this time. We just passed it a couple times today and looks impressive. That's why the flood warning lasts all the way through next Friday. So keep an eye out on the small streams. The rivers definitely will be need to watch as we're expecting quite a bit of rain, and the heaviest rain comes in by Wednesday night into Thursday. That's when the cold front's going to swing in here. We're not going to introduce a severe threat just yet, but some of the storms could be a little strong. Definitely heavy rain is the biggest issue here. 73 the high on Wednesday. Yeah, 49 for the high next Friday. So a big cold front is going to be moving through.
Absolutely. Ross, you won't even have to get your car washed next week.
No, no need to.
Yeah, I know you're always fretting over that pretty little car
you wash it every day.
Nearly every day.
Every 6 hours, I believe.
Mike's car wash keeps me busy.
Uh-oh.
Oh, on that note, nice and chilly day.
I was going to say
Ross.
something, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, well, you must have been freezing out there shooting that game.
Yeah, the sun was hiding from us, that's for sure. It was chilly at Ross-Ade Stadium. Team Black versus Team Gold. Highlights and post-game reaction next in sports.